What's going on, everyone? Darkwater here, and welcome back to City Skylines. We are here in Waterford, looking kind of over on the eastern side here. Last time we purchased this tile, we started moving everything further down. We've got a landfill that is slowly emptying out, probably moving stuff down over here. Last time we ended off, we became a small city. So we do have some new tracks, cable cars. Cable cars might be nice to go across over here to the island, now that I'm thinking about it, but I'm probably not going to really do much with the island. Just leave it out there, hanging out, enjoying itself. Um, so yeah, we've got a bunch of transportation buildings. Next step is a big city. We get a water treatment plant, which definitely would be nice. Crematorium as well. The inland water treatment plant would also be very good to have. Uh, train metro. Metro is something that we might need to start doing something with, given the fact that this is starting to back up a little bit. Can we just take this out? We're going to kick the issue down the road a little bit, I think. We've got a lot of trucks, it looks like, coming in here, probably heading down to the industrial area. So that's probably something we're going to have to contend with, since industrial's kind of on the rise here. So our industrial down. Sorry, let's try that again. Our industrial demand. There we go. Words are hard today. But that's kind of creeping up. We do have all the space down here. We could just keep kicking the industrial down here. Initially, I was thinking about doing just kind of a suburby area down over in this area. And was going to do the industrial up here, but now I'm kind of thinking about flipping that. Because we gotta make big choices here. The easiest move to do would just be to keep moving the industrial area further and further south, and then do a hookup over here. Doesn't tell me how many tiles I can purchase right now. I think I actually can get 2. But there is the rail hub here, but up here we've got also access to the highway. Um, is there rail access? No, doesn't look like it. It's like the rail just goes zoop, straight up. So I think I kind of want to do this one. And then get this train station involved as well on this rail line. And then do a lot of the industrial area over here. So I think that's where we're going to take things. So right off the bat, I kind of want to do a interchange here, or at least an exit ramp. I could do a roundabout. Never been a fan of roundabouts. I want to do a 6-lane road. Don't want 6 lanes with parking. Decorative grass. How about with a median? Let's go with the 6-lane road with a median. And I don't want to do it, I think, straight across here. We'll start with that. This is kind of going to be the... take that down a little bit. I think this is going to be the main thoroughfare into the industrial area. Do kind of a, let's say, a gentle slope. not gonna lie, I don't necessarily like that, but we take that back just a smidge. I think it's because there's a little bit of a hill there. And then we're just gonna take that straight that way. This side will kind of do the same thing. I'm basically going 5 tiles and down. And we'll actually just kind of dead end this at the waterfront. And I guess over here we could just kind of do 2-lane roads. I'm just going to fill this area with a bunch of industry for right now. We are going to have to do some kind of power plant out here. I was hoping that was going to give me more coverage, but that's... Take that out. Can I come down and... No. Hold on. On-ramps are a thing, aren't they? That should probably be something I need to deal with. This is going to probably be ugly, isn't it? See, that feels very steep to me. Take that back. Can I do this maybe in smaller pieces? Yeah, that curve is kind of hideous too. I do have move it here, so let's kind of do a little tweaking, just a little bit. See if we can get this a little bit nicer, maybe. I'm okay with that. Got a decent little slope. I think I'm kind of okay with that. But we've got an exit ramp. Let's, how about well, that's an on-ramp. How about we do a nice exit ramp. Can we flip that around? That'd be good. Don't know if there's an easy way to flip these around. Or am I going to actually have to go from the freeway? I think I'm going to have to go from the freeway. Again, just my lack of... okay. So right click will change that. Okay. I was right the first time then. That's not obvious. Can I tweak this just a little bit? I do not have any kind of traffic management, so that is probably something that I will need to look at getting downloaded and installed at some point. Let's wait. Let's mess around with the curve here. See what we can do. Yeah, it's not going to be smooth like I want it to be. We will do this manually, and then we will kind of tweak things as we go. That's not too horrific. I imagine you're probably going to start this a little bit further back and. Oh, I don't think I dropped that at all. Let's. You're not going to be. Tweak things any more than that. Which is fine. Why are we... Can I not do that one? I cannot do that one. You know what? Fine. We will bulldoze it. We will put it in again. Nope, not what I wanted to do at all. We try and use the proper thing. Thank you. Now can I do a little tweak? Where are you going? Did you just get off at the wrong place? Farm truck returning to the facility, okay. Just making a U-turn, huh? Alright. Have at it. But we've got an overpass. Not as clean as I would like it. I might mess around with it in between episodes, but we'll go with that for right now. We'll do another 2-lane road. We're just going to take it right up to the edge. Take this one over as well. Can I go under? No. That. I don't like that. But we could do a small road underneath, which I think will be nice. And I also don't think I'm using the road I want, because this has parking, doesn't it? Yeah, I want this one. Really don't want it to go that way. Yeah, have a nice turn over there. Let's come through and upgrade roads real quick. There we go. I mean, I could use the industrial road, wherever it is down here. But I think I'm just going to kind of stick with the regular 2-lane road with sidewalks. That way people can walk around a little bit in the industrial area if they so choose. Give me the freeform here. Just kind of take it along. Along the freeway over here. me just a straight road right there. We'll do that. That'll give us a decent amount of space over here. Yeah, that's not going to give me anything additional. Let's go ahead and take that one out. As for the other side of the freeway, start off. How about... probably need to take mediums off this if this is going to be kind of an industrial complex area. We'll do a medium that way, we'll do a medium this way so we can set up the train yard. And then coming off the medium, we'll get the small with medium? With a nice median in the middle, I guess. And this, since it's the industrial area, we'll kind of do with a little bit of a grid. We're going to need to get some water flowing over here, however, as well as power. We're going to start with this. Let's grab a oil power plant, I think. Will work over in this area. We'll just drop it right in there. That'll give power to everything over here. We're going to need some pipes, which we can run straight across, I think. You let me run across? Yes. And we'll just take it straight down Industrial Road here. I don't have an actual decent name for it. I guess we'll just run it there and here. I don't like that. Yeah, can I get this? You know, great. Thank you. There we go. So that'll give us power and water to this area. Let's go ahead and finish off doing piping here and up in this area. There we go. We've got water, we've got power over here. And now I think it's time to finish off getting some of the infrastructure in here. Actually, we'll do that first. We'll do some police here. And a small fire station next to it. There we go. That'll give decent coverage over here, I would imagine. Let's grab some just regular industrial. We're just going to fill in these areas, and hopefully traffic doesn't get stupid over here right off the bat. And we'll fill up all that area, and that'll take care of that. How are we doing with our trash facility here? Emptying finished. We can go ahead and move it. And I kind of want to move one of them up here. I'm not going to put it there. How about we drop it in right there? You guys all still have power. You still have power, but we need to move power lines. I kind of want to take that out as well. We're going to drop that in like so. We will bulldoze these lines. And I think I want to de-zone this. Again, to just kind of clean up this area. And we will slowly start to move all the industrial up here. You can stop emptying. Now, the drive distance from here to here might be a bit much. So we might do some residential here and then just do a small bridge across to the industrial area. Which means this is probably going to need to change. I'm just noticing that's a really hard angle to come in off of. You're not going to let me slide any further up? No. Yeah, that's an interesting angle, quite frankly. The traffic outbound is okay. Traffic inbound is doing okay. Do you guys... I assume you guys probably do not have power over there. If we do that, we should be able to get some power going to this side once the industrial demand kicks back up. Residential demand and commercial are back up. And I'm just going to do this for right now, just to get some of it going. But we are about to do a kind of major transition in this area, but I think that's going to have to wait till next time. We're going to start the park area, get some of the high-density stuff going in, and potentially look at where we're going to put the university. But I'm going to go ahead and leave this episode here. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys for being here. Look forward to seeing you guys again in Cities Skylines. And as always, I hope you guys have yourselves a great day.